In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get Shattered Gold here on the Jager 45. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, go ahead and go into the gunsmith on the Jager 45 and go up to the very top where it says customize and into the camo section right here. Go into the multiplayer tab, and right here you're going to see all of the challenges that you need to go ahead and complete in order to end up getting Shattered Gold at the very end. Now these first 9 camos right here are going to be your headshot kill camos, and honestly these are a little bit difficult with these pistols. The best thing that I would recommend doing in order to get these headshots is first off equipping a scope on your pistol just to increase your accuracy just a little bit. But on top of that, what I would do is recommend playing objective-based game modes like Hardpoint and Domination on smaller maps. It's a lot easier on smaller maps. Everything's going to be a little bit more chaotic, but that actually helps you out a decent amount in terms of getting your headshots done with these pistols, and that goes for all of these pistols, to be honest. After getting those 80 headshots, and trust me, that'll probably be what takes you the longest, you can move on to the special camos, which the first one is just 15 kills shortly after switching weapons. This one is super self-explanatory. Do the exact same thing that you did for the headshot kills right here, but essentially just switch weapons from your primary or your melee over to your pistol and, get 15 kills. You can knock this one out in less than one game. Moving on to Raptor though, you got to get 50 kills while moving. I would recommend playing small maps and just constantly moving. Now, the best thing that I would say to do for this is actually sliding. Sliding is extremely easy to go ahead and do, and you just have to get 50 kills. So once again, this should only take 1 to 2 games max. Finally, we move on to mainframe. This one is getting a kill without taking any damage 30 times. This one is a little bit difficult, but as long as you're just playing like hardpoint or domination and sitting outside of the main zone, you should be able to get this done pretty quickly. It's only 30 kills in the end of the day without taking any damage, and it's good practice for what is going to be Shattered Gold, which is essentially just getting 3 kills without dying 10 times. Essentially, what you're going to want to do is, once again, play hardpoint, domination, or really any objective-based game mode, and sit outside of the main objective section so that you can go ahead and just spray into it, get some kills without actually risking, your life too much. Now, obviously, sometimes it is fun to go in there and try and get a few kills without dying, but if you're trying to knock these out quickly, sit outside of the objective, and you'll be able to get done with this challenge way faster. Overall, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.